may work. After these Lake Mapanuepe motocamping videos, I got a couple of invites from my motorbiking friends. Nakapila na naman ang rides that I'm looking forward to. But nothing has been confirmed yet kasi hindi raw natutuloy kapag pinaplano. Also, because Buddy has already booked a ticket in 2021 for a trip in 2022. It wasn't even a ticket to Boracay initially, it was for Japan. Then it was cancelled due to the pandemic. So we decided to keep it in a travel fund. Travel fund is a virtual wallet. If you have an existing booking and it gets cancelled, you can store the amount in the virtual wallet. But we lost the insurance fee amount because that part is not refundable. I'm sure we also lost something else. Excitement. But good thing we ended up with one of Philippines' most beautiful tourist destinations, the island of Boracay.
Ese hombre está mal. Es muy adicto a lo que diga la gente.
This young lady is Buddy's niece. She didn't know she's coming with us until a few days ago. We left early in the morning for a 1 p.m. flight. Sa Fairview area kami manggagaling and it would take 3 hours to get to the airport kung sa EDSA kami dadaan. Isang oras pa lang ay nakarating na kami sa airport for an additional cost of 361 peso toll fee. Money can't buy you happiness, but it can lessen your stress. Pagdating sa airport, you'll have to check in through these machines unless you've done it online. Our flight was delayed so idinaan na lang namin sa tawanan. Sa kainan. Later on, dinaan ko na lang sa tulog. It's her first time to fly so we're excited for her. Pero siya mukhang ninenervyos.
Everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Caticlan Airport.
Despite the weather forecast the day before, Caticlan welcomed us with a very friendly sun.
Hi! Yeah, sunny days, no clouds in the sky, but again.
We disembarked from the aircraft and hopped on this bus, which took us to Caticlan's arrival area.
All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Got the Tropicana, fresh cut sushi on a platter. Brandy, honey, it don't matter, shots.
That's where you claim your checked-in baggage. Pero, diretso na kami sa exit dahil paulit-ulit lang naman kami sa mga damit and 2 piece lang naman ang aming mga bitbit.
What?
Here, I'm still a little lost trying to find the exit. Although I've been to Boracay several times, I've never flown to Boracay. I've worked here one summer back in college as a part of my course. But me and my friends decided that we travel by ferry. The next 2 times I was here was when Buddy and I went backpacking in the country by land and sea. Those stickers are actually for trikes that are parked right outside the airport. This is the airport's exit area. Kung nagbook kami ng airport transfers, it would have been a van or bus waiting for us outside to take us to the jetty port, and a boat would have taken us to the port where a shuttle's waiting to take us to the resort. But you can cut the cost by half or even up to 75% if you do it yourself, just like what we did. This is the type of inconvenience that you can handle. So this is where you cut costs. But the Manila traffic situation, sadly dun mapupunta ang matitipid mo dito. After exiting through the gate, take this pathwalk down to the tricycle terminal. Dito pa lang ay clear blue water na, kaya kung first time mo, aakalain mong ito na ba yun? Just further down at makikita na natin ang pila ng mga tricycle just across that street. Here in this booth, you will pay 50 pesos each for a ticket, and then you give the tickets to the tricycle driver. See, I told you, the beach is more than good enough already. Look. Ang sarap naman maging tricycle driver dito. Pagkatapos ng matagal na paghihintay ay nakasagap din ng sariwang hangin. After that long wait at the airport, this view is a breath of fresh air. Kaya magugulat ka na lang, nagmumuni-muni ka na. Pero wag mong masyadong laliman kasi in less than 10 minutes, mararating nyo na ang jetty port. This is where tourists get a little confused. They don't know where to go first or what to do first. But just to give you an idea, you will have to fill out the tourist arrival form. And then you pay for the environmental fee. And then the terminal fee. And the boat fare. Why not have one window for everything? I overheard the foreigners say. Anyway, you will be issued a ticket and you're going to exchange it before the exit for a seat number to your designated boat. And when you get to Boracay Port, an e-trike will take you to your resort. In our case, it's 200 pesos because we got off at the mall. And here we are, greeted by the Boracay sunset.
Dapat yung paraw natin kasi hindi tayo natuloy. Bukas.
We were scheduled for a Parao sailing activity but we had to cancel because of a delay in our flight. Because it was a totally different scenery from what I had just an hour ago, I felt like I was transported in a snap. Kaya kahit pagod ay pinili kong manatili sa labas ng ilan pang sandali to make sure that I'm connected to my present. Idinaan na lang namin sa kain ang pagod. And by the way, Buddy's parents are also here. Their flight was 4 hours ahead of ours. Kinagabihan ay nagawa pang pumuslit ng mga tita nyo, 'cause it's time to party. If you like this video, click on that subscribe button. I'll see you in part 2.